Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can create a new workspace inside your account on framer.com. So let us dive into this. So guys, log into your account on framer.com. You can use the web application for that or the desktop app. So guys, once inside your account, click into your current workspace. Now during the sign up process you will get asked by Framer to create a default workspace. So once you have started Framer, you will be given access to the default workspace. If you'd like to add a new one, click into that workspace in the top left, select add workspace here, then give it a name here, workspace 2 for example. Click into this button below. Then guys, what you want to do is invite website editors and co-editors using that option here to your website project by entering the recipient's email address. Click into send invite. I'm going to skip this. And then guys, you can also use a logo in PNG or JPEG file format with these with that resolution here in 200 by 200 px. I'm going to skip this and click into continue. And as you can see, the workspace has been created. You will see all website projects on the left hand side. So to navigate between your workspaces, click into its name here in the top left and then hover your mouse over all workspaces and select the one you would like to use. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.